Welcome. I'm filming an ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before I get started, you will need one of these SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, but you can also get a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you get that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So right here where the pin is holding, push the pin in and the tray does pop out. And when you take it out, you'll have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm trying to figure out how it looks like we need to place it the other way around. So for some reason when you take out the tray, everything goes basically to the bottom of it. So when inserting it back into the device, you'll need to flip the device over, because otherwise you will just end up doing this. Not the best design here. So anyway, I'm just gonna grab the phone, flip it over, and insert it into it. Give it a second and we should have, there we go, a pin for the SIM card. So the SIM card is working, and obviously SD card is working too. It gives me the pop-up right here. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.